Okay, exercise 5.1 to 5.5 only, up to logarithmic differentiation. So no second order derivatives, okay, and other problems, parametric derivatives, everything. Okay, up to 5.5. So you please work out all these problems, NCERT problems. The test contains some of the NCERT problems and mostly outside the NCERT problems only, right? And which homework problem you want, Surya? Which homework problem you want, Surya? You please. You please send the homework problems. You please send the homework, which send your doubt. Do you have questions, Surya? Yesterday homework problem or previous day homework problem? You are asking doubts in increasing, decreasing function or differentiation. So please send your questions, then only it will be easy for me. So per day, many students are sending the questions. It is not possible to okay. So question number 2. Yes, Ganesh, I got it. And look at that, question number 2, f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 15. Find the increasing and decreasing function. Are you okay? Yesterday I gave only 3 problems. Right. What is my first step? Find the f dash of x. What is my f dash of x? This is 6x square. This is 18x. This is 12x plus 12. Okay. And factorize this. Take the x common 6 commonly. This is x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. How to factorize this? That is 2 and minus 3. So I can multiply 1 into 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. I will get plus 2. Okay. When I'm adding, it will gives minus 3. So therefore, this can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Are you clear, Pa? Yes. Da. Six into x minus 1, x minus 2. Right. So now come to that, my f dash of x is equal to 0. Let f dash of x is equal to 0. So I have already told that my f dash of x, look at that. If the function is increasing, means this is going on like that. Okay, and it is turning point. Okay, this turning point, at this point, my f dash of x is 0. So that's why we are finding this point. At which point the function, the turning point we are getting, that is a critical point. Mathematically, we are called it as this critical point. Okay, so that is we are choosing that f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay, right. So f dash of x is equal to 0. What is the answer? This is x 6 into x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So I'm getting x is equal to 1 comma 2. Right. So now come to the third one. So look at that, and this is 1 and 2. Okay, so therefore this is x is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 2, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Look at that, my third step is come to the intervals, and the sine of f dash of x. Sine of f dash of x, this is nature of f of x. Okay, so what are the intervals? So this is minus infinity comma 1, this is one interval minus infinity comma 1, this is the another interval, that is 1 comma 2, this is next interval 2 comma infinity. Okay, so now you apply any one point in this interval, take that interval and apply in your f dash of x. This is my f dash of x. I'm going to find out the sine of f dash of x. Okay, why? We have discussed one theorem, right? The function f of x is increasing. My f of x is increasing. Okay, so what is the condition? If my f dash of x is greater than 0, the theorem. Increasing my f dash of x is greater than 0. Decreasing means my f dash of x is less than 0. That is positive, this is positive, this is negative. My f dash of x is positive, this is negative. Therefore, I'm going to find out the sine of f dash of x in this interval. For that, I'm going to take one point, one value in this interval. I'm going to take 0. Don't take 1. This is an open interval. Don't consider 1. Okay, take 0 and apply here. Okay, when I am applying here 0, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. So therefore, I am getting 0 into minus 1 into minus 2. I am getting some positive value. Minus into minus, it is plus. Okay, so my f dash of x is positive by the theorem. What is my theorem? My f of x is increasing mean if f dash of x is positive. Yes, my f dash of x is positive. If my f dash of x is positive, then my f of x is increasing, strictly increasing. Okay, now come to that, the next one. Here 1 and 2 is there. It is not possible to take the integers. You can, it is an interval. You can consider the real number, any real number in this interval, 1.5. You take 1.5. Apply here. 1.5 minus 1, I'm getting plus 0.5. But here 1.5 minus 2, it is minus 0.5. Are you okay? Here you will get plus 0.5, here minus 0.5. So therefore, this is 6 into plus 0.5 minus 0.5. Okay. So equal to, it is negative. Positive into minus, plus into minus, I'm getting minus, therefore negative. So look at that, my f dash of x is negative. Since my f dash of x is negative, my f of x is decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Okay, right? So now come to the next one. This is 2 comma infinity. 2 comma infinity means you can take any one point. Take a simple point, 3. Apply here. This is 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2 is also 1. Okay, so therefore 6 into 3 minus 1, 2, and 3 minus 2, it is 1. All are positive. If you multiply, you will get the positive value. I need only the sine of f dash of x. My sine of f dash of x is positive, greater than 0. Positive number. This is a, I'm getting a positive number. I don't want which number. I need only the sine of f dash of x. My sine of f dash of x is greater than 0. If sine of f dash of x is greater than 0, then my f of x is strictly increasing. Are you okay? Any other doubt? Harish, I want to question. Okay, so Any other doubts? Okay. Sin y equal to x into sin of a plus y. Okay, right. What is the question? We have to find out the derivative. Dy by dx. So we are discussing increasing, decreasing. Okay, so this is a dy by dx problem, Harish. We will discuss it at the last. Okay, now we are discussing about the increasing and decreasing. Last 5 minutes, you please remind me. I will solve this problem. Okay, right. Any other doubt in increasing, decreasing? Sixth chapter. Right. Okay, we will discuss increasing, decreasing. After that, we'll go for the fifth chapter problems. Right. So now look at that. The another problem. This is also an important problem. So find the intervals. Find the intervals in which the following function, in which the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing to strictly decreasing. Okay, so now look at that. What is the solution? For increasing, decreasing, we have some steps. What is my first step? Find the derivative. What is the derivative? My f dash of x. Okay, 2x plus 2 only, right? We can easily factorize this. This is 2 into x plus 1 only. Find the derivative and factorize this. That is an important one, right? Now, what is my second step? Let f dash of x is equal to 0, right? So what is that? This is 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, my x is equal to minus 1 only. I'm getting only 1 point. I'm getting only 1 point means come to that, the number line. Okay, so this is minus 1, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Okay, right? So now look at that. This is a second degree function, degree 2 polynomial, 2x minus 5. Okay, so for my derivative means it is a linear polynomial. Degree 1 means I will get only one roots, but this one root, one value of x make two intervals, right? So what are the intervals? My intervals minus infinity comma minus 1, intervals minus infinity comma minus 1 and minus 1 to plus infinity. Here sine of f dash of x, here nature of f of x, right? So what is my sine of f dash of x? You take any one value, don't take 0. Okay, 0 does not belongs to in this interval. Take minus 2. Okay, substitute in your f dash of x. This is your f dash of x, right? So substitute your x is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 1. So that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, again I will get minus 2 only. So therefore I am getting negative. Negative means my f dash of x is less than 0. So just now I have told that what is that? My f of x is strictly increasing. what is the condition? My f dash of x is positive, greater than 0. Greater than 0, positive, both are giving the same meaning. Okay, if it is my f of x is decreasing, strictly decreasing, and this is just a symbol, increasing symbol, decreasing symbol, right? Strictly decreasing means my f dash of x is less than zeros. Here I'm getting negative value. That means my f dash of x is less than 0. Less than 0 means my nature of f of x is, what is my nature of f of x? Strictly decreasing. This is a theorem. In the last class, I gave the statement of the theorem. You please refer the theorem. Right? Based on the theorem, I'm concluding this. Right? And you now minus 1 to plus infinity means you take 0. Take any one point, sir. Why are you taking 0, sir? Why are you taking minus 2, sir? Can I take some decimal values, sir? 1.2, 1 point, minus 2 point something, minus 3 point something. Yeah, you can take any point in this interval, you can take it. Once if you get my negative, when you apply minus 2, if you are getting negative, if you apply any value in this interval, definitely you will get negative only. Okay, right. So therefore, you just apply any one value, simple value, right? Here I am going to apply 0. So when you apply 0, it is 0 plus 1, 1 only. Okay, so therefore 1 into 2, 2, that is I am getting positive 2 plus 2, positive. So therefore, my interval is strictly, my f of x is strictly increasing. Okay, very simple problem. Take this problem, we'll move to the next. Don't Nagarjuna, you within that interval, you please take it. Okay. Nagarjuna, you please within the interval you take it. Don't take minus 1. If you take minus 1, your f dash will become 0. Nagarjuna, if you take minus 1, your f dash will become 0. Okay. I need f dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0 in that interval. Students, please look at that. From our seekers, some message is posted. Webinar with IISc Bangalore alumni, Pooja Nathan. And tomorrow morning 9:50, link is given, meeting ID, password is given. Okay, you all are requested to attend the meeting, right? Okay, thank you. Now come to the next problem. Find the intervals in which the function, find the intervals in which the function f of x equal to 3 by 10 x power 4 minus 4 by x cube minus 3x square plus 36 by 5 x plus 11. Okay, so this is strictly increasing, B strictly decreasing. So we have to find the intervals. At which interval the function is increasing and decreasing. Okay. So dear students, please note this. All are requested to listen for a few minutes. Don't write. So look at that here, minus 1. And okay. Look at that, up to minus infinity to minus 1. Up to minus infinity to minus 1, my function is decreasing. This is minus infinity. My function may be like that. It is decreasing. My function is decreasing up to minus 1. Okay. I don't know the, this is a quadratic function, parabola. Okay. So this may be decreasing up to -1. Okay, and then -1 to infinity, it is increasing. Are you clear? It may be increasing like that. Are you clear? Are you okay? So minus infinity to -1, my function is strictly decreasing. Only decreasing. Strictly decreasing means only decreasing. Okay. After -1 to infinity, it is increasing. At -1, what happened? It is some constant. Okay. At x is equal to -1, then my f dash of x is 0. That function is constant at particular point. Okay. Right? Okay. And what is that? What is the meaning for that, sir? So look at that. For up to this interval, my function is decreasing. Okay. And up to this interval, -1 to infinity, this interval, entire interval, my function is increasing. Okay. In this interval, function is decreasing. In this interval, function is increasing. But entire real number r, what is that? Suppose consider the entire real number minus infinity to plus infinity. Consider the real number, all the real number. Are the function is increasing or decreasing? So we will inform the timing later. Okay. No need, no need. Kirtana Lakshmi, no need to draw the graph. I'm just explaining for you, just for your understanding. Okay. So please try to understand, my dear students, please try to understand. So in this interval, my function is decreasing. In this interval, my function is increasing. But the entire real number, the function is neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay, so in the first class, I have told that, look at that, this function is strictly increasing only in the entire real numbers. The function is only increasing, only increasing. Okay, so look at that, this function, it is increasing and some constant, stable, and then increasing. This is strictly increasing. Okay, so this is simply increasing because some stable is there. Constant is there, but not decreasing, but stay stable. Okay, constant function for some interval, right? So, but look at this function is decreasing, only decreasing. Okay, so therefore this is strictly decreasing in entire real numbers. Okay, so but this function is, look at that, it is decreasing and stable and decreasing again. Okay, so therefore this is decreasing only. But look at that, my function is coming like that and like that and like that, like that means here it is decreasing, again increasing, decreasing, again increasing, decreasing, again increasing. So this type of functions are called as neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay, so the entire function is not neither increasing nor decreasing, but this function in particular interval minus infinity to -1, it is strictly decreasing. -1 to plus infinity, it is strictly increasing. Okay, but you no need to write all these things in your exams. You please try to understand. So you complete this table. This table is enough. In exam, you have to complete the table. Okay, right. Now come to this problem. Find the intervals in which the function f of x equal to 3 by 10 x power 4 minus 4 by 5 x cube minus 3x square plus 36 by 5 of x plus 11. Okay, what is my first step for finding increasing and decreasing? Find the derivative. That is my first step. Only 3 steps we are following. What are that? Finding derivative and factorization. That is my first step. Second step, let f dash of x is equal to 0 and solve the equation. We'll get some points, roots, values. That is my second step. Based on that, complete the table. Based on the points, you have to find out the intervals. Based on the intervals, find the sign of f dash of x. Based on sign of f dash of x, write the conclusion of f of x, nature of f of x, based on the theorem given. Okay. So what is my f dash of x? My f dash of x is 3e by 10 into this is 4x cubed minus 4 by 5 into this is 3x square. This is 3 2s are 6. Okay. 6x, x square is 2x, 2x into 3, that is 6x plus, this is 36 by 5. X differentiation is 1, this differentiation is constant, 0. So here this differentiation is 4x cube, this differentiation is 3x square, this differentiation is 2x, This differentiation is 1. Are you okay? Right. So now factorization, right? So how to factorize, sir? So look at that here. This is 3 fours are 12 by 10 x cube. This is 12 by 5 x square. This is minus 6x. This is 36 by 5. So look at that. Here also in each of the terms 6 is common. Here also this is 6 into 6. Here 6 is there. This is 2 into 6. This is also 2 into 6. 6 is common in all the terms. Similarly, 1 by 5 is also common here. Here 1 by 5, here 1 by 5, here 1 by 5. Only this term does not have that 1 by 5. So what I'm going to do that. So this is 12 by 10 x cube minus 12 by 5 x square. Here I'm going to multiply by 5 and divide by 5. Why, sir? I'm going to simplify that. I'm going to factorize that. Okay, so here look at that. 6 is common in all the terms. 1 by 5 is also common in all the terms. Take 6 by 5. Take 6 by 5 outside. So I have taken 6 by 5 outside. So here this is 2 into 6. Okay, here this is 2 into 5. Right, 6 by 5 already taken outside. These 2 and 2 get cancelled. Please try to understand. My 10 is 2 into 5. My 12 is 2 into 6. Already 6 by 5 taken outside. Remainder 2x cube by 2. That is 2 to cancel. I will get only x cube. Minus here 2 into 6. 6 by 5 taken already outside. Minus 2x square. Right. Minus here 6 by 5 already taken outside. Okay. I have taken 6 divided by 5 outside. Therefore minus 5x. And here this is 6 into 6. 6 by 5 already taken outside. This is plus 6. Are you okay? Are you clear? Right? X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is a cubic polynomial, not a quadratic polynomial. If it is a second degree polynomial, we can easily factorize that. But it is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials, how to factorize that? How to simplify that? So look at that. I'm going to factorize this polynomial, cubic polynomial, this division method. So first of all, write the coefficients of this cubic polynomial. The coefficient of x cube term is 1 and coefficient of x square is minus 2. Coefficient of x is minus 5. This is coefficient of constant. The constant term is 6. Okay, I'm going to divide by 1. I'm going to divide this. I'm going to find out the factors. Okay, so for that I'm going to use this division method. I'm going to use that 1 and put always here it is 0. Now add these two. Put always here it is 0 and I'm going to check this. 1 is a solution of this given polynomial x cubic polynomial. And I'm putting 0 here. I'm adding here. That is the 1 plus 0. It is 1. Now multiply these two. 1 into 1. It is 1. Okay. Again, look at that. This is minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Minus 2 plus 1 means that is minus 1. And multiply 1 into minus 1. That is minus 1. And here you add these two. I'm getting minus 6. And now multiply 1 into minus 6. That is minus 6. Now it is 0. If you are getting 0 here, then definitely this 1 is a solution of this polynomial. So if I'm not getting 0, then what to do, sir? You can try with minus 1. Check that. If minus 1, if you are getting 0 here, then minus 1 is a root of the equation. Are you okay? So now here my 1 is a solution of the equation. That means 1 is a root of the solution. That is 0 of the polynomial. My x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, given polynomial. Okay, right. So now look at that. This term, these three terms can be written as, here it is a third degree polynomial. Okay, so after finding one root, it will reduce to second degree polynomial. That is, this is 1x square, this is minus 1x, this is minus 6. Are you clear? So since it is a third degree polynomial, after finding one root of the given polynomial, the remaining will denote this second degree polynomial with the coefficient. This is x square coefficient, this is x coefficient, this is constant. 1 square, 1x square minus 1x minus 6. How to factorize this? How to write this? This is minus 6 and minus 1. This is a quadratic polynomial, second degree polynomial. We know that how to factorize this. Okay, so therefore, this is minus 6 and minus 1. I'm going to use this 2 and 3. Okay, suppose I'm using 2 and minus 3, 2 into minus 3. When you multiply these two numbers, I'm getting minus 6. When you add these two numbers, I'm getting minus 1. Are you okay? So therefore, this is my x plus 2 and this is x minus 3. Since this is a root, my x is equal to 1 is a root of the given polynomial. So therefore, my x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, and these are also factors. My x plus 2 into x plus 3, all these three are factors of the given polynomial, cubic polynomial. I am just factorizing everything. And Nagarjuna, look at that. 1x squared. Since here it is a cubic polynomial, Nagarjuna. This is a cubic polynomial. In that cubic polynomial, I have found out that my x is equal to 1 is a root. Okay, I am dividing by this 1. Okay, and it will reduces to, if you divide that x is equal to 1 is a root, and if you divide by 1 means, after dividing that, we will get some coefficient. These are representing the quadratic equation. Okay, so this is coefficient of x square, this is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of the constant term. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, constant term. Therefore, 1x square minus 1x minus x. And solve this quadratic. Okay, now these three are the factors of this polynomial. X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. If now you multiply all these three factors, you will get this polynomial. Are you clear? This is one of the method to find the factors. That means factorization. Sir, I know very well about some other methods, sir. Yeah, you can proceed. Okay, our aim is finding f dash of x and the factorize. Okay, for the given function, my first step to finding the intervals of increasing and decreasing, my first step is find the derivative of the given function and factorize. If it is a polynomial, means factorize. Sometimes trigonometric equation also given. Okay, we will approach the trigonometric equation in different way, because we know that like in 11th standard you have already studied trigonometric equations, how to find out the solution of the trigonometric equations. We have to go for that method, no factorization. Okay, right? So polynomial means we have to factorize. Why, sir, I have to factorize? Then only we can easily get the points when take test f dash of x is equal to 0. We need that points. Okay. Right, so now come to that. Therefore, my f dash of x is 6 by 5, and these are the factors: x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3. This is my first step, factorization. Are you clear? Come to the second step. What is my second step? Let f dash of x is equal to 0. This is my f dash of x, 6 by 5, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, sorry, x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, which implies what are the values of x? My values of x is, if you take x minus 1 is equal to 0, I will get x is equal to plus 1. If you take x plus 2 is equal to 0, I will get x is equal to minus 2. If you take x minus 3 is equal to 0, I will take x is equal to plus 3. Okay, x is equal to 1, minus 2, 3. Right? Any doubt? Now come to our third step. What is my third step? First of all, go for the number line. Right, look at that. Here I will get minus 2. Here I'm getting 1. Here I'm getting 3. Okay. This is my minus infinity. This is my plus infinity. Come to the third step. What is my third step? Intervals. Okay. What is my second column? Sine of f dash of x. Please note that so many of the students are getting confusion about the second column and third column. Based on the sine of f dash of x, we are defining the nature of f of x. That is a theorem. You please go through the theorem statement, nature of f of x. That theorem is proved by mean value theorem, but mean value theorem is not in our syllabus. So therefore, we didn't discuss the mean value theorem. Therefore, we didn't go through the proof. Proof no need. You please take the statement. What are my intervals? Minus infinity comma minus 2. That is one interval. Minus 2 comma 1 another interval. And 1 comma 3 another interval. And 3 comma infinity another interval. You please take the table properly. Use pencil scale for table. Okay. Right. You take any one point from here. Any one point. Some of the students are take any one point from this, means they are taking that it is minus 1. So minus 1 does not belong to this interval. Please note that minus 1 does not belong to this interval. Only minus 3 belongs to this interval. Okay. Some of the students are taking minus 1 and substituting here. Okay. Don't take minus 1. Minus 3 only belongs to this interval. For that, I am drawing the number line. Okay. Right. So now apply minus 3 here. Come to that. This is my f dash of x. See that? Please try to understand. This is my f dash of x. I need only sign. You don't calculate any other thing. You conclude that it is positive or negative. My f dash of x is, when I'm applying any value from this interval in this f dash of x, my f dash of x is greater than 0, less than 0. That I need that only. Okay. Take a very simple point in this interval and substitute. Don't take minus 2. If you take minus 2, my f dash of x is 0. Okay. Take minus 3. Apply minus 3. What happened in this interval? This is 6 by 5. Apply minus 3 here. What is the answer? Minus 3 minus 1. I will get negative. Are you clear? The first bracket, first term. This is minus negative. When you apply minus 3 here, minus 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Negative. Here minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. What is the answer? It is also negative. Finally, what is the conclusion? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So therefore, I will get negative. Are you clear? Are you understanding? Any doubt? Negative means what is my conclusion? My conclusion is strictly decreasing. You please, since I don't have a space, I am writing shortly, strictly decreasing, but you don't write like this. You write fully, strictly decreasing, you write fully. Okay. Because of negative, it is strictly decreasing. I'm using the theorem. My f of x is strictly decreasing if my f dash of x is less than 0, negative. I'm using the theorem statement. Using theorem, I'm concluding that. Now come to that, you take any one point from this interval. Okay, some of the students are thinking about minus 1. Okay, so you please take that 0. 0 is the simple value in this interval. Okay, take 0. Minus 1 is also correct, sir. I am applying minus 1, sir. No problem, that is also correct. But take simple value, 0. So apply 0 here, what I am getting? So therefore, this is 6 by 5 into this is negative. When you apply 0, negative. When you apply 0, positive. When you apply 0, again I am getting negative. What is my final answer? Minus into plus minus, plus into minus, sorry. Minus into plus, it is minus. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. Positive. Positive means strictly increasing. Are you clear? Are you understand? Now come to this one. Take any one point in this interval, 2. Apply 2 here. If you apply 2, this is 2 minus 1. 1 positive. Here 2 plus 2, that is also positive. Here 2 minus 3, this is negative. 2 plus and 1 minus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, therefore I am getting negative. Negative means strictly decreasing. Are you clear? Are you understand? Now come to the last one, 3 to infinity. Don't take 3. All these are open intervals. Open interval means don't include that boundary points. Okay, right. So therefore take plus 4. See, and the next simple value plus 4. So why are you taking only integers, sir? Can I take some 3.5, sir? No problem, you can take it. In this interval 3 comma infinity, you can take any value. Any value. So okay, sir, you are applying only one value, sir. How you are concluding my f dash of x is negative, sir? So for one value it is negative. For one value, your f dash of x is negative or positive. Okay, for the entire interval, your f dash of x is follow the same, either positive or negative only. Okay, look at that. When I'm applying my 4 here, okay, so this will become positive. This will become positive. Okay, this also will become positive. So the final answer is positive. Okay, right. So if positive, if sir, you are applying only 4, sir. Can I apply for 5, sir? Yeah, you can 5. Can I get different answers, sir? No. For 4, your f dash of x is positive means if you apply any value in this open interval 3 comma infinity, your f dash of x is positive only. Okay, no need to check the other values. You check at least one value only, right? So therefore positive means strictly increasing. Are you clear? I understand. Right, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, fully. Okay. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, please ask your doubts. Otherwise, we'll go to the next one. Table, Karunya, table. Look at that. Dear students, look at that. In these two, strictly here, I am getting strictly decreasing. Look at that. In this interval, my function is strictly decreasing. In this interval, my function is strictly decreasing. Okay. You can write like that also. F of x is strictly decreasing in what are the intervals? Minus infinity comma minus 2 and another interval 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. You can write like that also. My f of x is strictly increasing in what are the next interval? Minus infinity comma 1 and 3 to infinity. But how to find out? For finding, you have to do all these things, Karunya. Karunya, in your book, and they are applying without table, they are explaining everything. But if you take it in a table format, it will be easy for you. That's why I'm giving. Okay, sir, without table, I'm proving some other method, sir. I'm writing one by one, sir. No problem. You write one by one, apply value, writing everything. Okay, that is also correct. But this information must be present in your answers. This interval, this is sign of f dash of x, this nature of f of x, this everything must be present in your answer. Okay, you can explain. So I am explaining, I am giving all the answers in table format. This table format is easy for you compared to the other methods. Okay, this table includes everything. Look at that. What is the meaning that in this interval, my f of x is strictly decreasing. In this interval, my f of x is strictly increasing. In this interval, my f of x is strictly decreasing. In this interval, my f of x is strictly increasing. So therefore, this table having everything. Okay, how you are concluding you are strictly decreasing since my f dash of x is negative. Okay, how I am getting say my f dash of x is negative? I am applying some point -3 here. I am getting negative, negative, negative. So therefore negative. Further it is strictly decreasing. So therefore this table consisting all the necessary steps and points and conclusions. So therefore you please take it in the table format. That will be easy for you. Are you okay? Yeah, we will discuss some other problems in our exercise. Are you completed? Yes, Nagarjuna. If the in that interval, okay, my function is up to minus infinity to -2, my function is decreasing. Okay, -2 to decreasing. Again -2 to 1, it is increasing. Okay, again 1 to 3, it is decreasing. Okay, and again 3 to infinity, it is again increasing. That is the meaning. Okay, sir. So suppose here my function is coming like that. Sir, at x is equal to -10, my function is again increasing, sir. If it is increasing, okay, at this point my f dash of x is 0. If this point my f dash of x is 0 means definitely I will get my x value here. X is equal to -10. Okay, right? So therefore don't bother about that. And if one point my function is decreasing means negative means my f dash of x is negative means in this interval, okay, minus infinity to -2, my f dash of x is negative only, right? So therefore you please substitute at least 1 point. Right, come to the next problem. Look at that. Find the interval in which the function f of x is equal to -2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 1 is strictly increasing, to strictly decreasing. Okay, find f dash of x. Simplify this. What is your f dash of x? Take f dash of x is equal to 0. Find the points. Simplify that. Try this problem. What is your f dash of x? And what are the points, critical points? What is your f dash of x? What is your f dash of x? This is 3x square. So therefore minus 6x square. 2 into 9, that is 18x minus 12. Okay. You can take minus 6 commonly. This is x square plus 3x plus 2. Are you okay? So this is minus 6 into, and this is factorization 2 and 3. Okay, so this is 1 into 2, 2, and when you add these two, it will become 3. So therefore, x plus 1 into x plus 2. Are you clear? Right. Now come to that second step. This is my first step. My second step is, and you multiply this minus also inside. Then that will be useful for you. 6 into this is minus x minus 1. This is, you multiply this minus. This is x minus 2, x plus 2. You multiply this minus to any one of the bracket. So because both are in multiplication, don't multiply both. Okay, so you multiply this minus in any one of the bracket. That will be very useful for you. Okay, right. So now come to that, if my f dash of x is equal to 0. What is my f dash of x is equal to 0? Minus x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0, which implies my x is equal to, this is minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. My x is equal to, okay, so therefore minus 1. Minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. My x is equal to plus 1. Minus x is equal to plus 1, or x is equal to minus 1. And this is x plus 2 is equal to 0 means my x is equal to minus 2. So therefore, these are the 2 points, critical points. Okay. Now come to the third one. Third one, intervals and sign of f dash of x and nature of f of x. Okay, go for the number line. In number line, you can take this is minus 2, this is minus 1, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Then what are my intervals? Minus infinity comma minus 2, one interval, minus 2 comma minus 1, another interval, and minus 1 to infinity, another interval. Are we clear? Right. Now take any one point, that is minus 3. Take minus 3 and substitute here. Okay, so when you apply minus 3 here, it will become plus 3. Plus 3 minus 1, it is positive. Here positive, but here it is negative. My first term is positive, 6 into positive and negative. So therefore, I will get negative. Minus. Negative means strictly decreasing. Okay. So now come to the next one. I'm going to take it as here minus 2 comma minus 1 means I can take it as minus 1.5. Right? So apply minus 1.5 here, minus into minus plus, plus 1.5 minus 1, that is positive. Okay, I am applying minus 1.5 here. So this is also positive. Are you okay? This is also positive, this is also positive. Why this is positive? I am going to apply my x is minus 1.5, minus into minus plus 1.5 minus 1, that is plus 0.5. Here minus 1.5 plus 2, again I will get plus 0.5. So therefore, my 6 into the first term, this is also positive. 6 into this is positive, therefore I am getting positive. Positive means strictly increasing. And the third one, you take 0 here, minus 1 to infinity means take 0. Apply 0 here, this is 0 minus 1, negative, 0 plus 2, positive, minus into plus. So therefore negative, strictly decreasing. Are you clear? Are you okay? Right. Any other doubts? And this is sine y is equal to x into sine of a plus y. I think this is a question and we have to find out the dy by dx. Okay. And dear student, you please take this as sine y divided by sine of a plus y equal to x. Okay. Now find out dx by dy. Find out dx by dy. That means differentiate this function with respect to y. Apply u by v formula. Apply u by v formula and differentiate this function with respect to y. Okay, you will get some answer, right? So after finishing that, after finding the dx by dy answer, you take a reciprocal. Okay, you will get dy by dx. Your dy by dx is nothing but 1 by dx by dy. Are you clear? Take a reciprocal. You find differentiate this with respect to y. What, Nagarjuna? Nagarjuna, what is your question? I can't understand. You are asking about tomorrow's test, huh? You are asking this type of problems. Am I right? This type of problems in our test will come or not, you are asking. Am I right, Nagarjuna? Yes. So sometimes it will come, Nagarjuna. Okay. Based on this, because y I am differentiating means here, look at that, this is a function of y. Totally function of y. Like y is equal to f of x. We can write x is a function of y. We can write like that also. Okay. So therefore, sometimes this type of question also will come in our test or a board exam also. Okay. Sometimes they may be asked like that also. We have to ready to do that, right? Okay. Any other doubts? Right. If you don't have any doubt, means we will close the session and we will meet on Monday. Please concentrate. Yeah, that will be inform you, ma. Till now, I don't know the timing. Okay, just a minute. Okay, till we don't know the timing. Okay, it may be in the morning. If 10 o'clock you have a meeting, means it may be 11 or 12 or after the meeting. Okay, don't worry. Right? Okay, pa. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Please write the test well. Yes, Deepika. This method is useful only for finding the function, finding the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. Okay. Right. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you all.